Good morning, everybody. This is Catherine with Anaheim Public Library, and I'd like to welcome you to today's Flying Toys workshop. All we need for today's crafts is 3 pieces of paper. Now, I'm going to start folding our first glider, and then I will show you how to do it. We'll start by folding the piece of paper in half lengthwise. Remember, when you fold an airplane, it is important to make sure your folds are accurate and that you press them down with your fingers to make sure they are nice and flat. So here is our paper with the first fold. Now, for the second fold, we're going to fold the tops into the center line that we just made. And press it down. All right, now our paper looks like this. Here are the 2 corners that we folded in. Now we are going to fold this line to the center. I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. See, we took the outside edge and we folded it all the way into the middle. Here's what your shape should look like. Now we'll do the other side. Oh, we gotta press this flat. We go. Now we have something really pointy, which is good for an airplane. Now we are going to fold it in half, just like that. Now you guys, I never worry if my plane looks a little bit crooked when I fold it in half because I find that they fly anyway. And we are going to fold our wings down. The thing I like about this airplane is that you have a little triangle that sticks out at the back. It's kind of cool. Next, I'll show you the shape that your wings should take. So here are my 2 wings all folded. Now I'm going to go one more time and fold it down nice and flat. And here is our airplane. Shall we throw it? Let's throw it. Now everyone, for our second craft, we're going to fold another glider. And I want to show you, I'm using a picture book as a table in my lap here, so I have something stiff to fold against. For this one, we are also going to start by folding it down the center. Press your folds flat, don't forget. And we're going to start by folding these top corners into the center line that we made. As soon as I'm done, I'll show you what that looks like. See, here they are. Now, next up, we are going to fold down like this. Now, we have folded that top part of the paper all the way down to about 1 inch from the bottom. It looks like that. Here's the shape we made when we folded it. Now we're going to fold these corners in one more time. Here's the shape that we folded. And at the bottom, you'll notice the tip of the previous fold sticking out, and we are going to fold that up so it makes kind of a little triangle shape. See that? Stop and press all of our folds flat. Now, next, we're going to fold the whole thing in half with the fold lines on the outside. Okay? And last of all, we'll fold our wings. This one also has a little triangle that sticks out at the back. It's kind of cool. And here's our finished plane. Watch me throw it. All right, now it's time for our third airplane, which is a special trick glider. You'll see at the end. Now this one has a tricky fold to begin with. We take the top of the paper and line it up along the side. I'll show you what it looks like in just a moment. See that? Here is the fold. Now we're going to press it flat. Now, this corner goes down there along the line of the first fold we made. Oh, it looks like a house, doesn't it? Here's the second fold that we just made. The third fold is from this point, and we're going to fold it right down there. That's what that one looks like. Press it flat. This glider has a very thick, blunt nose that you cannot smash. That's part of why it's so much fun, because it will last forever. Now, next, we are going to fold it in half. And be careful in the center because it's very stiff. You'll have to work at getting your paper flat in the center. There we go. Now, put that last fold facing away from you and fold your wing. Now turn it around, turn it over, and fold your second wing. By doing it this way, you can make both your wings the same size. Crooked. Fix it. Okay, now we're going to press those flat. Now, see how thick this is? It's very durable. Last of all, we're going to fold two little airfoils along the sides of the wings. Just like that. See? And here's the other one. And now our plane is done. And now I'm going to throw it. Watch out. Thanks for joining our Flying Toys workshop today. And remember to join in our summer reading fun by visiting anaheim.net/summerreading. We also have curbside pickup service this summer, where you can place a request online and then we will call you when your books are ready to be picked up. Have fun with summertime.